Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mahaguru Yash Architecture Classes, and we specially started preparation for our GATE 2021 exam, and we are covering small topics which is being frequently asked in the examination. So today's topic is wastewater plumbing system and services which comes from the section 8, which is building services, infrastructure and management. So today we'll see go through it and have a sneak peek and understand how these type of questions will help this material will help you in solving different questions. So before we start, we have to understand what all kinds of wastewater do we generate at a domestic level. So basically we have three kinds of water which we generate as a sewer, which is black water, gray water and yellow water. So black water generally consists of all your wastewater coming from your toilets, kitchen and dishwasher. So what basically black water has is all your feces, urines, toilet papers and all those which are taken by the WC or wash basins and washing machines. So that which means that the black water is the most contaminated water. The next is grey water. So grey water is basically black water without urine, feces and food waste. It is just wastewater which can be your from bathroom sinks, and this contain a very less amount of chemicals. So this water can be easily reused. The last kind of water is yellow water. So yellow water is basically nothing, just pure urine. The next which we're going to discuss is different types of traps. So the first trap is a nani trap. So nani trap is base or a floor trap, which you find in your washrooms, which like when you bathe and everything is going. This water takes this plain gray water to the main piping system. The next is gully trap. Gully trap is basically provided outside the building where the main sewer line meets the individual plot sewer line. The next is PQ and S trap, which is basically used for your water closets, and you can see the amount till where the water is filled in the traps is known as the water seal. The next is an intercepting trap. So the intercepting trap is provided where you have uh, created. Bottle traps are basically used beneath your wash basins. Grease traps are basically used in case of covered parkings, because in cases of parking a lot of grease is being generated by your car, so this can easily be used as a filter system there. The first plumbing system which we are gonna discuss is a single stack system. So what happens in a single stack system is you have one wastewater pipe which has a ventilation by cowl at the top. So all the appliances, let it be wash basins and WCs or kitchen sinks, everything is connected to a single pipe system, wastewater pipe. The next is single stack, but it is partially ventilated. How? So again, you have a single wastewater pipe. In this case, you won't have a cowl at the end of a wastewater pipe, and all your wash basins, water closets, and kitchen sinks would be connected to that wastewater pipe. The new thing which here we can see is a ventilating pipe. So this ventilating pipe is connected to all your water closets and your tubs, because these two create a lot of foul smells, because wash basins and kitchen sinks will be producing a lot of foul smells, but water closets and tubs would be creating more of your foul smell. Hence, to so that the system doesn't get full of foul smell and just choke your system, you create a ventilating pipe so that the whole foul smell gets out easily. The next is one pipe system. So here in a one pipe system, again you have two pipes, wastewater pipe and a ventilating pipe. So right now what happens in this case is your wastewater pipe is connected by everything, your wash basins, tubs, water closets and kitchen sink. The only different thing here we find is the ventilating pipe, instead of just getting connected to WC and tub in case of single stack partially ventilated, is connected to all the water based fixtures. Let it so your wash basins, your water closets, your tubs, and your kitchen sinks, everything is being ventilated. The next is a two pipe system. So what happens in a two pipe system is you have two sets of two waste pipes, and what here you're basically doing is one wastewater pipe will only consist of your gray water, and one wastewater pipe will only consist of your black water. So gray water would be generated by your wash basins and kitchen sinks, and your waste or your black water will be generated by your water closet. So you have a different ventilating pipe which will ventilate your wash basins and kitchen sinks, whereas you have a different ventilating pipe which would be connected to your black water pipe, which would be ventilating your water closets. And at the bottom you will obviously have your different kinds of traps which would be directly connected to a manhole. So guys, this was it for today, and this part has been asked frequently in the previous exams. Not directly, but indirectly these questions have been asked. So thank you for watching. This is it for today. So before we end, I would obviously would like to tell you guys that I've recently launched my own ebook. So it's the Gate Architecture and Planning 2021 book, where you will have past 30 years previously solved question papers. So this book is basically different from the rest. I've co-authored it. So this book is basically different from the other books because instead of just giving you question banks and answers, we've provided you with a picture book. So picture book basically consists of your 50 plus architects with their buildings. You'll have a plant inventory and Pritzker Prize Award winners in a chronological order. The other perk which I'll be talking about is I've provided you with short crisp notes from each section of GATE 2021 exam. So it's a great buy. I'll be linking all the links in the description box below. Please do check out. One could also buy just the architects and their works picture book, which will only consist of the picture book, which will have your Le Corbusier, your architects and their works, your Pritzker Award winners, and landscape details. So right now we are giving this book, and it's available on Amazon Kindle. Other than that, soon this would be launched as a paperback version as well. So you need not to worry that I do not have a Kindle or something like that, because Kindle also has an app on your phone which is free to download, and you could just download that app and have this book anywhere when you're traveling as well. So you need not to carry all those heavy thick books. You can do your preparation at a click on your phone. And do check out this book, and you can also look at the draft version on issue as well. Don't worry, all the links will be down there below. So please, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and comment on this channel, on this video, so that I could improve myself and help you more.